which leads us to the call to lower down
Ay,
the
oo.
age, no, which is our
Mm.
spill the three. So, ngayon, yung ano natin dyan is that, yeah, pwede nating simulan dun sa part actually ating, okay, juvenile justice, it's working, but it's not serving actually the victims ng tipong, paano ba, yung talagang hustisya. Because at some
Okay.
point, may nakikitang loopholes. But the question
Okay.
is, age ba talaga ang problem? Now, tignan
Okay.
natin muna before tayo pumunta dyan sa mga implementation ng juvenile justice.
Oh.
Ilang taon ba sa ibang bansa?
Oo nga. So, dun sa, di ba, gumawa tayo ng ano dyan kwento dyan. Eh di, yun nga, yung minimum age of criminal responsibility or yung
Mm.
MACR. So, sa atin, 15.
Yes.
Tama? Sa US, depende kung anong state
Yeah.
ka. Oo. Kasi walang federal minimum. Sa UK, 10. Na I think yun yung gusto ni
Mm-mm.
Robin. No?
Yes.
Oo. Sa Japan naman, 14.
Mm.
Tama. Singapore, 10 din. So,
Mm.
pero regardless naman of yung age din, meron din naman silang mga kaakibat. Like for example, let's say sa Singapore, 10 years old nga, pero the strong focus on strict enforcement combined with intensive state-sponsored rehabilitation and counseling. So
Counseling,
parang yung mga
actually.
ganon. So sa
Oo.
atin, ano ba yung mga gusto ng authorities or mga pinag-usapan
Yun.
lately? O, di ba?
Actually, kasi if we will to lower down 10 year, I mean yung criminal liability to 10 years old, yun yung kay Robin, no? Tapos 12 kasi sa PNP.
Yun yung sabi
No?
ni PNP spokesperson.
Yes, 12,
Oo.
12 daw. But ako nag-agree ako sa iba. I think we should not focus with the age. We should focus on the intent and the discernment.
Tama. Dun medyo nag-develop yung discussion eh. Kasi nung first, tinanong si Colonel Allen ko,
Mm.
tinanong siya nung media kung agree ba siya kay Robin, tapos ang sabi niya is the PNP supports lowering the age to 12. The
Mm.
next day, nung tinanong naman si Chief PNP mismo, si General Nartates, ang
Mm.
sabi naman niya is parang mas conservative yung approach niya, let's leave it to Congress. Kasi nga naman, act of legislation yan. And
Mm.
then the day after that, which is, I think that was Thursday, um, si SILG naman ang na-interview, si Secretary of the Interior and Local Government, Secretary Remulla, tinanong din siya. Yun, yung sinabi niya na, let's move away from age and look at intent and accountability.
I think the age is not important, but cognizance and intent are the most important factors.
So,
Mm.
nagde-develop din yung
Yung
discussion.
discussion.
Oo,
Pero
oo.
ang question kasi dyan, if we will to lower down, paano
Oo.
natin to,
It,
paano natin to i-approach? Like for
oo,
example,
oo, 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 okay.
kunwari, doon tayo sa
Okay.
proposal ni Robin na 10 years old.
10, okay.
Paano kung itong 10 na ito ay pumatay talaga at may discernment? Saan natin siya dadalhin?
Mm-mm.
Adult prison?
Mm-mm.
Rehabilitation?
Mm-mm.
Saan? Saan natin siya dadalhin? Yun ang question.
Mm-mm.
Which kailangan nating isipin na the reason why the juvenile justice law is here is
Mm.
because before it, prior it, no mga early 2000, we are jailing kids sa regular adult prison na
Before na
instead,
meron yung law.
yes, instead na mabago sila, kasama nila yung mga rapist, kasama nila yung mga adult, nagtutong sa loob, may mga Sputnik gang, nasasama sila doon, mas lalo pa nating binibreed sila to be demons.
Mhm.
And there's actually a documentary that can support that. That's the Bunso documentary of Ditzi Carolino, which is
Oo.
part of the basis then
Mm.
to strengthen the call for the juvenile justice. So, yun ang tanong. Kasi part tayo ng UN Convention on the Rights of the Child. So you
Okay.
cannot detain minors in adult facilities
Mm,
because it
mm-mm.
is legally classified as cruel, degrading, and unusual punishment under Article 3, Section 19 of the Philippine Constitution. So yan pa
Okay.
lang, it will be struck down by the Supreme Court. So
Kasi
papaano?
constitution yan. Yan yung supreme
Oo.
law.
So papaano? Ngayon, dun tayo sa part tinanong mo kanina, di ba? Enough
Mm.
ba ang bahay pag-asa? Yung
Kasya ba?
facilities, kasya ba? And are they really equipped? That's one. Kung
Oo.
doon tayo magde-detain, kaya ba nila?
Nare-rehabilitate ba talaga sila? O para lang prison lang din na...
Yes. Or
Mm-mm.
kaya ba nilang baguhin in the first place? Are they really equipped? Do we really have the facilities in the bahay pag-asa to detain yung mga heinous crime
Mm.
offenders, no?
Oo.
So, yun yung tanong dyan. Okay, lower down, lower down. Andyan tayo. Ba't hindi natin pinag-uusapan? Lower down natin, saan sila
Yung
dadalhin?
facilities. Kung ngayon pa nga lang, na
Kulang na.
15, kulang na.
Kasi
Tapos
we have
bababa natin.
kasi we have details about that eh.
Mm-mm.
Actually dito sa research kasi natin is that may system failure din at some point ang Bahay Pag-asa because in
Oh.
reality, less than 40% of targeted municipalities have functional centers.
Mm-mm. Kahit na sinabi ng batas na dapat lahat meron,
Hindi
hindi
kaya.
yun reality.
Ito na yung sinasabi natin, gawa tayo ng gawa ng batas. May
Mm.
budget pa. May allocation
Ah,
pa.
oo. Tapos meron din mon yung mga ongoing risks din of exploitation because of the existing minimum age of criminal responsibility. Ginagamit yung mga 14 years old and below by the drug syndicates.
Ayan.
Na-mention din yan ni SILG and ng PNP na yun nga, dahil alam ng mga sindikato na hindi ikukulong ang mga batang to. So, ginagamit sila sa crimes. Kasi kahit na mahuli sila, hindi naman sila ikukulong. So, parang yun yung isa doon. Tapos, meron din yung there's what we call yung, kung discernment man ang gagamitin na basis, hindi kaya magiging restrictive ito para lang sa mahirap, pero okay lang sa
Ayun.
mayaman? Kasi
Yun.
ang magde-determine diyan ng kung may discernment yung bata is psychological tests, 'di ba? Baka naman wealthy families will be able to hire top tier lawyers or psychologists para ma-defend nila, ma-clear nila
Or
yung
they can even pay.
I always want to pray na, yung justice system natin works. But
Mm.
yes, they could do that and get away with saying na their child did not have
Totoo.
discernment. Kung discernment yung gagamiting basehan.